So good afternoon, class 6. Let's do this worksheet number 17 of chapter 9. Your first question is, this is the MCQ. Which of the following statements are true about the trees in hilly areas? Yes, move it under. Give the answer.
All of these.
These trees are normally cone shaped. They are sloping branches, are needle like. Yes, all of these true. Second is, which of these help polar bears adapt to live in extreme cold climate? Yes, Chehek.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's A.
White fur, fat below the skin, and keen sense of smell. Good. Which feature of living things is you also shown by car? Yes, Charvi. Respond to changes, reproduces, require energy, absorbing gases. Which feature is required? Yes, Ridhima.
Of living things is also shown by a car.
Yes, requires energy.
Response to changes.
No, beta, that is requires energy.
Ma'am, can I tell? Requires energy.
Radhika touched a hot kettle and quickly pulled her hand away. Which characteristics is proved by her?
Ma'am, response to stimuli.
Yes, response to stimuli. She quickly withdraw her hand. Next, which of the following is not a correct statement about excretion? Excretion takes place in animals. Excretion is the process of getting rid of excess water only. Takes place both in plants and animals. Secretion is one of the method. You have to find the statement which is not correct. The statement
D.
Ma'am
D.
Ma'am
D.
Secretion
is one method of is one method of excretion.
Ma'am D.
Okay, next is beta in this question which is not correct. Excretion takes place. Okay, fine. Number 6. Which of the following sets represent only the biotic components of the habitat? Tell me, which are the biotic components? Rock,
Tiger,
deer, grass, soil. Yes.
Tiger, deer, grass, soil. Grass, soil. Tiger, deer, grass, soil.
Okay. Next is, should I erase if everybody has done it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next is number state whether that is true or false. Now
Ma'am,
we have to
true.
go for true.
True, ma'am, true.
Beta, one
Ma'am,
has to
true.
speak. One has to speak. Don't speak all together. Otherwise, we are not able to get. Yes, Tanishk. First is
Yes,
different organisms have. Yes.
different habitats. Ma'am, it is true.
What about next? Habitats means a dwelling place.
Ma'am, false.
It's false. Non-living things don't have any of the characteristics of living.
Ma'am, false.
Psychological is same as genetic.
Ma'am, true. Ma'am, true.
It is true. True it is. Yes. So if everybody has done, I can erase and we can move further.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move to the next page number. Filling the blanks using the appropriate words. So here, children, you have to water of sea is.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, salty. Ma'am, salty.
Okay. Plants and animals live on land. Are said to be live in
Terrestrial.
Terrestrial animals.
terrestrial habitat. Terrestrial habitat. Photosynthesis in desert plants is usually carried out by
Water.
Stem.
lion hunt deer and is therefore it is called as
Carnivorous. Carnivores. Carnivores.
mountains of Himalayas.
River Ganga.
Oaks,
Pines and deodars.
So children,
Oaks,
these
pines
are the
and
trees
deodars.
which are found in the hilly areas. Next is Puri.
Ma'am, each dotted with a German Persian tree.
But one has to kindly mute yourself, everybody. Sea beach is located near this. Rajasthan, you can move on camel, and Rishikesh is with River Ganga.
River Ganga.
Next is, what do we call the surroundings where plants and animals all other organisms live? So what we can,
Habitat.
yes, it is a-
I'm habitat.
Habitat.
Next, how are slippery scale useful for fish? Kindly raise your hand. Slippery scales. How
Auntie,
does,
पंखा चला दो.
Ma'am, can I tell?
yes, tell Ridhima.
These scales protect the fish and also helping easy movement and through water, in water.
Yes, helps to move in water.
मैम हेल्प की स्पेलिंग गलत है.
I will check. Helps to move in water. When is a seed said to have germinated? Raise your hand. When we can say that the seed is germinated? Yes. Who will give the answer? Laks Jindal. When you say that seed is germinated.
मैम मैम can I?
Yes, yes, speak.
Ma'am, when animal eat that seed.
No, when root and shoot start coming out of it.
Okay, ma'am. When fruit and shoots start coming out it.
Then. So children, let's move to the F part. You have to write 2 adaptive features of penguin. Kindly raise your hand. Yes, Bhuvi, want to give, or Anya? Anya Pali, you want to give the answer? Yes, give the answer. What are the adaptations of penguin?
Ma'am, fly underwater at speed to 15 miles per hour.
Yes, moreover,
then-
penguins move in huddles. They move in group to keep themselves warm. Kindly write down, children. They move in group.
Pedal.
They move in groups to keep them warm. और एक आप लिख सकते हैं, they live in the polar regions.
Ma'am, webbed feet for powerful swimming.
Yes, they are good swimmers.
Yes, ma'am.
But you can write down yourself. The whole I can't write. Number 2, if we put our hand deep inside a sack of wheat or rice, we feel warm inside. Why it is so? Because the seed, beta, you can write down, because the seeds inside the sack of wheat and rice, they respire. And third question answer, you can write down, what happens when the leaves of mimosa plant are touched? They close their leaves as they
Ma'am, please
respond
tell the
to
answer.
stimuli.
Ma'am, second वाले का आंसर क्या है?
Beta, you have to write down your own, because the seeds respire. Because seeds respire.
And ma'am, this plant is also known as touch me not.
They closes their leaves as they respond to stimuli. Okay, I hope everybody has understood. So your worksheet of chapter 9 is over.